Building span, clear span or multi-span. Span is defined as the length of a member or the rafter section between the columns. And generally speaking, the span of the building is usually the same as the width. We call this a clear span, meaning that the roof is supported by the walls and there are no columns interfering with the interior space. Here we have a 40-foot clear span building. And when defining building dimensions like this, it's a 40 by 60 by 14, the width always comes first, and it is the measurement of the end wall. Next is the length of the sidewalls, and then the eave height. Multi-span buildings are buildings usually fairly wide that need additional columns underneath the rafters to either help reduce cost or because they're necessary just to support the roof. The next thing is roof pitch. The pitch on the roof is how we describe the angle or the steepness of the roof slopes. We use the same nomenclature here as everybody else in the industry does. Inches in rise over the distance, right? 112, 212, 312, et cetera. Simply put, a 412 or a 4 on 12 roof pitch means the roof is going to rise 4 inches for every 12 inches all the way to the peak of the building. On building with unsymmetrical eave heights, or if the peak of the roof is offset from the center line of the building, you're going to wind up with different roof slope numbers for each side of the roof. We can design pretty much any slope, even beyond a 12 on 12, which is a 45-degree angle. But generally for cost savings, we stay between 112 and 412.